Good morning, one and all. I am Harshita from MTech CSE department from VNR Vigyan Jyoti College, and my project title is Estimation of Dietary Calories Using Image Processing. Coming to agenda, these are the topics which I am going to present: abstract, existing system, conclusions drawn from literature survey, problem statement, proposed system, system view, implementation, and finally conclusion and future work. Abstract. Everyone's life has become extremely fast and busy in today's culture. People work for long hours and they consume whatever food is available at that moment without knowing its calorie contents, and it leads to a large quantity of junk in our body. This junk leads to various side effects for the body. Due to this, obesity rates are increasing, and this reflects to the risk in people's health. So people need to control their daily calorie intake by eating healthy foods. To keep the body healthy and fit, many alternatives are available, such as taking some supplements and large amount of medical products. But all these products have huge number of consequences on the body, and these effects may even lead to death also. Instead of going for such tedious ways, one way to maintain a healthy lifestyle is to consume only how much of calories and nutrients are required for the body, not too much or not too less. So, by using deep learning algorithms, it can identify the object, and calories are estimated based on the object detection method and volume estimation method. Next, existing system. In this research, they have used a data type which consists of only two categories of food. One is chicken and one is fish, which consists of different types of fish, that is tilapia, bangus, and one more. And they have tested on only these two type of food categories, and they have used convolution neural network for recognizing the object, and they have used GraphCut for image segmentation. Next, conclusions drawn from literature survey. I have collected 20 to 30 papers. From all those papers, I have concluded that the most common algorithms used by the researchers are fast RCNN, deep convolution network, artificial neural network, and CNN, which is used to detect the object and for identifying the calories. Every researcher's intention every researcher's intention is to help people, like by counting calories can help people lose weight by bringing awareness to what they eat each day. This can help in identify eating patterns that people may need to modify or keeping them on track to reach their goals, and they can make better choices. And people can be aware how many calories they can actually consume. If more calories are consumed, they can eat smaller portions. Next, problem statement. Most of the population living in countries where obesity and overweight cause more fatalities than underweight. The issue here is not lack of food, rather people are unaware of what is present in their diet. The main reason for fat is the imbalance between the number of food intake and energy consumed by the people. So to overcome this problem, a machine learning system will be used that can measure calories in everyday meals, which can be useful. Next, proposed system. In this study, the proposed system detects the object of each food's content using Otsu method and estimates the calories of each food with data trained using faster RCNN. In this research, uh, proposes a model for estimating food weight from a single image. Here, in this research, a food dataset was used. Images of 14 distinct food products are included in this dataset. The images are trained with this dataset, And this dataset includes photos taken from the various perspectives. Having a diverse range of foods and foods provides a more accurate and trustworthy dataset for calorie food measuring system. Images of single food items are present in this dataset. This is accomplished in three stages. One is first step is image segmentation to determine each food's contour. Next, image recognition using faster RCNN, and finally it estimates the food's weight and calories. System design. Here first the food image is given as input and then the image is pre-processed. Once pre-processing is done, the image is segmented using Otsu method and the food area is found, and then the model is trained to detect, label, and then the calories are estimated here. Next, implementation. Here I have used the algorithm faster RCNN. For model training, faster RCNN is used, which is a deep learning technique. It is a deep convolution network used for object detection. This network can accurately and quickly predict the locations of different objects. It takes an input image and passes to the convolution network, which returns feature maps for the image. Next, it applies region proposal network on the feature maps and get object proposals. Later, it applies ROI pooling layer to bring down all the proposals to the same size. And finally, it passes these proposals to a fully connected layer in order to classify and predict the bounding boxes for the image. And here, Otsu technique is used for the image segmentation. Otsu method is a global adaptive binarization threshold image segmentation algorithm. This algorithm returns a single intensity threshold that separates pixels into two classes, that is foreground and background. To determine the contours of the food, Otsu's approach was used to segment the food item. It is used to conduct image threshold automatically. The threshold used by Otsu's thresholding is chosen to minimize the infra-class variation of the threshold, black and white pixels. This method is used to segment an image, after which color, shape, and text features are extracted. This is used because it can obtain more accurate segmentation results, but it also has less running time and can segment images quickly and effectively. Next, calorie estimation results. Here I have used different food categories which I have already mentioned earlier, and these calories are calculated using based on the expected volume. And here three types of food shapes are present from the data set which I have taken. One is sphere, cylinder, and irregular shape. By using these different formulas based on the food shapes, the calories are estimated. This is the formula for volume estimation for sphere. And next, these formula is used for the volume estimation for cylinder shape. And next one is for irregular shape. And finally, weight and calories are estimated by using these two formulas. And next, error rate and accuracy for calorie estimation. I have calculated error percent and accuracy percent for each food item using this formula. And I got 98.7 of overall accuracy. And this is calculated by using the formula sum of all accuracy by total number of items. And next is conclusion. To maintain a fit lifestyle in such a busy schedule has become a tedious task. Also, use of handheld Android based devices has been tremendously increased in the past decade. So I this type of system will be useful for the people to count their calorie in their daily meals. And coming to future work, uh, body mass index can be calculated so that the people can be aware of their weight, and by calculating their body weight, they can eat more calories or different food items. And multiple items or meals can be added and they can be tested so that it will be more accurate if more food items are added in a plate, and this can be tested. Thank you.